ninth annual general meeting of your company. I hope all of you and your families are safe and well, and I thank you for your unwavering trust and support for the Fluidomat. We have circulated AGM notice and our annual report for financial year 25 to shareholders, and it is also available on the website of our company and on the stock exchange BSE. The global economy is undergoing big turmoil due to continuing wars, disruption in the global supply chain, and political disturbance trying to create a new world order. The global economy growth may remain below 2.3%. India, with its huge internal consumption, high reserve of food grains, and strong military power, will remain unaffected by geopolitical economic turbulence and is expected to record growth rate of around 6.5%. The Union government stance on Swadeshi is certainly going to boost Indian industry in all sectors. The GST reforms is also going to boost consumption and revenue growth. Your company is proudly producing very high-tech fluid couplings indigenously in pace with government initiative of Swadeshi and is amongst few companies processing fluid coupling technology. The Union government has announced 32 numbers new coal-based thermal power plants, out of which for 10 plant EPC contract are already awarded, and out of which your company has secured order for fluid couplings in 8 projects. For mining, 19 new projects have been announced, and out of which for 9 project EPC contracts are awarded, out of which your company has secured order for fluid couplings for 7 projects. In long term, this project supplies will regular source of spare parts and replacement businesses. These new projects are going to boost growth of engineering sector with its sizable contribution in GDP, exports, and employment to skilled and unskilled laborers, and also to engineers and technicians. The government initiative to indigenous produce semiconductor chip is a strong step in self-reliance and supporting Indian industry in various sectors, including automobiles, electronic, hardware, and software industry. Many other infrastructure and social projects have been undertaken by Union government. List is exhaustive. Your company is investing its modernization plan financed by internal accruals. Company's aluminum and cast iron foundries will undergo a major change and modernization. Modern CNC machine will be installed, contributing to enhanced production, quick deliveries, and better quality. Additional and higher capacity product testing machines and modern laboratories for material testing and foundries will be installed. The proposed modernization program will also give a facelift to company attracting international buyers. I am pleased to report that your company has delivered a standout performance in the financial year 2024-25. Your company has recorded revenue of 7,564.23 lakhs during the financial year 24-25, registering a growth of 28.33% over financial year 2023-24. Profit after tax reached at 2,222.35 lakhs as against 1,305.24 lakhs in the previous financial year, which represent a growth of 70.26%. Over the previous financial year, your company's debt-free and carried a free reserve of 7,552.24 lakhs as on 31st March 2025. Your company exercises good financial control, giving consistent returns to the shareholders and at the same time continuously investing in new machineries and softwares. Company proposed dividend of rupees 7.50 per equity share for the financial year 24-25 subject to shareholders' approval. Your company has contributed rupees 25.13 lakhs to the society by contributing in corporate social responsibility activities during the financial year 24-25 under its CSR program. Your company, with relentless effort in all fields, including quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction, along with continuous R&D and product improvement, enjoys high credibility among users in market and also attracts new buyers. With committed and experienced employees, the company aims at sustainable growth and wealth creation for stakeholders. I would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge and thank my fellow board members for their individual contribution and support in strengthening the company. On behalf of the entire team at Fluidomat, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude for the trust and support of our investors, shareholders, bankers, and financial institute, government, vendors, customers, and employees. Your strong and continued support has played a pivotal role in company's achievements, and I am sure that the same will continue in the year to come. Once again, thank you everyone who has been the part of our journey. Your support has been instrumental in our shared success. Now I proceed the AGM and would like to request our CS Devendra Sahu to proceed further. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Dear members, electronic copies of the notice and annual report for the financial year 24-25 have been already sent to all the members whose email ID were registered with the company or deposit participant, and also a letter has been sent to shareholders whose email ID were not registered with the company or DP, providing the web link of company's website from where the annual report can be accessed. The notice of the annual general meeting is given on page number 3 to 24 of the 49th annual report. The auditor's report on the financial statement of the company is given by the statutory auditors, Mr. J.P. Saraf and Company LLP Chartered Accountant.
Of delivering right from order to the final delivery. Some projects or some orders are like that take a long lead time. That's why it is very difficult to judge on the quarterly basis. But I can sure we are in right direction. Rest assured for this. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now our next speaker is Gaurav Sood HUF. Is available?
Yes.
Gaurav sir, you can speak now.
करें हेडफोन लगा रखा है हेडफोन लगा ले
I think audio and video is not connected with them. Gaurav ji, can you hear me?
डिस्प्ले नहीं हुआ खरीद हुआ क्या दे थोड़े बाल अच्छे से कर ले मेमोरी चाहिए
I think we should move forward for our next speaker, Mr. Ayush Agrawal.
Sir, Ayush Agrawal sir, you can speak now.
Yes, sir, audible.
Okay. Sir, thanks for the opportunity. I have sent in a very long list of questions. Unlike Mr. Dave, I did not receive a response on the email. It will be best if you can answer my questions point by point or give me a written reply. Either of that works.
Yes, sir. I will. We will reply after the meeting.
On email, sir?
Yes, on email.
All right. I will be looking forward to that, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Just one question from my end, sir. Since the board is here, I would like to understand that what is the vision that the management is moving forward with for the next 2 to 3 years, given the opportunities that were written on oil and gas and about thermal power plants and all of that. So just sir, your I would love to listen to you. Just on this. Rest of the responses, I can read on the email.
Thank you, sir. Now I request to Chairman sir to reply his questions, last questions.
Looking into the future opportunities, we are ready and we are tighten our seats. We are modernizing the plant, going for the new machineries. So we are ready to move along with the opportunities that I am assuring you.
Thank you, sir. Now move on to next speaker, J. Abhishek.
Jay Abhishek, sir, you can speak now.
Just a second, sir.
Sir, first of all, I congratulate the management on the eve of annual general body meeting. Sir, trust all is well with you and your family in this challenging situation. A company deserves much more respect than the current market cap. After completing more than a decade of successful operations, profitability, and becoming one of the strongest brand in the respective segment. So first of all, I would like to know what steps have been taken by the management to improve the EPS, P ratio, and the return on equity. Kindly try to conduct con calls, quarterly presentations, and meeting with global investors on a regular basis. Sir, you are conducting the meeting on the last date of September. It becomes practically difficult for the shareholders to attend, and there's a huge number of traffic in the CDSL and NSDL platform. People are not able to join. Since you've given me direct link, I'm able to join. Otherwise, the shareholders are not able to join, sir. So please ensure, sir, that you try to conduct those meetings on the earlier dates so that the shareholder does not face any discrepancies. Otherwise, the company has outperformed. We are really thankful to the entire board of directors for their sincere efforts in bringing the company to this particular extent and rewarding the minority shareholders in large numbers. So kindly arrange a planned visit for the shareholders, sir, as and when it is feasible. And our company is being categorized at the ESM stage 1 category in the BHB Bombay Stock Exchange. So what proactive steps is the management taking to overcome the same? I would like to know from you, sir, and write to the authorities to remove the stigma from our company. And company is a constant dividend-paying company, and the dividend yield has also increased year on year, and the company is given a handsome dividend during the year. I do appreciate the management for that, sir, for the handsome dividend being declared. And kindly arrange a planned visit, sir, as I've told. And previous year also, your request management has not considered. I would request you to kindly assign the planned visit at least this year. And whenever we come down, window, kindly give us an opportunity to meet you and greet you, sir. There's nothing much to sir, in the CDSL portal, NSDL portal, you can update a link for the institution of documents like register of members, register of KMP, and register of contracts, if any, so that the shareholders can very well inspect these documents online itself, and they may need not reach out to you at a later stage seeking for all these documents. Hope that the company takes all our questions in the right spirit. I wish the company and the board of directors a great success and prosperity in the coming future. And thank you for giving the opportunity, sir. Hope to see you in the upcoming hybrid AGM next year. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Sir, MCA is itself allowed to convey meeting through video conferencing, and link for shareholder document is available on NSDF portal and also on our website. For further questions, I request to Chairman, sir. Plant visit and conference call.
It is your company. You can come anytime. Just inform your schedule. You are most welcome to the plant any day.
Thank you, sir. Now move on to our next speaker, Srushti Amrit Gandhi. Srushti Amrit Gandhi.
Srishti Amrit Gandhi, sir, madam, you can speak now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so good afternoon. Thank you for providing me the opportunity. And I have had the privilege of holding the shares of the company from a long time, and it's been an incredible journey of growth for the company. I had sent some of my questions via mail, which were promptly circled back by the company team, and I thank you for the same. Except that I have certain questions. One is pertaining to the capex investments which we are planning for the next 2 years and the expected asset turns from such capacity additions. Second is since we are enjoying an exceptionally higher margins, so with the current order book which we have and the expected order pipeline, whether these margins are sustainable in nature or how can the margin trajectory look like going ahead? And the other question which I had is pertaining to the current order book of the company is around 58 crores. So what is the order bid pipeline and the closing order book which we can expect? Along with that, if you can provide the split of such order book basis on our end users, like power utilities, mining, etc., the split, that would be beneficial for us to understand. That's it. That's it from my end. Thank you for providing the opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Now I request to Chairman, sir, for reply.
For the next 2 to 3 years, I have already mentioned in my speech to reduce the lead time. We have already proceed for the CNCs and some modernization of plant to reduce the inspection time. Some inspection equipment we are adding. So for the future, we are ready to get and match with the coming prospective orders. And next one.
Capacity addition.
Capacity addition हो गया ना?
Margin sustainable.
So keep on changing. Yeah, the margin, regarding margin, it keeps on changing looking over the product portfolio. Nature of the industry. Thank you.
Current order book. Current order book.
आप बता दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. You can tell me.
₹34 crore 26 lakhs.
34 crores.
26 lakhs.
Regarding current order book in our hand is 34 crores 26 lakhs. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Move on to our next speaker, Mr. Yogesh Shah. Is available?
Yogesh Shah, sir, you can speak now. Yes, available. Yogesh, sir.
I'm audible?
Yes.
Sir.
Sir, I have already sent my list of questions and I have got a detailed reply also from the company for the same. So I have 3 more questions. So currently, like Voith, who is the global leader for our product basket. So how much, what is the product gap that we have with them and how much of this we can address? Second thing is when we do the sales of couplings, are these couplings sold directly to the capital, the engineering company, or sold to the cement company or the power plant company? And third is these products are very design oriented products and we have recently hired a person from Voith. So what was our structure earlier and going going ahead, do we plan to hire more people on the engineering side? And considering we are expanding for exports, do we plan to hire more people in international sales? Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request to Chairman, sir, for this answer. White order book comparison.
White orders.
Comparison.
We will answer.
Mr. Shah, we have noted your questions and we will inform you all the with details via mail.
Thank you, sir. Our deputy managing director is also joined the meeting. Now, I request to Ma'am, please confirm your presence if you are able to hear us. Hello, Radhika ma'am.
हेडफोन लगा
Yes, ma'am. Please confirm your presence by your name and your location.
So I have joined the meeting from here.
Thank you, ma'am. Move on to our next speaker, Mr. Ravi Kumar. Is here. Mr. Ravi Kumar.
Hello, respected Chairman, Board of Directors, employees of company and fellow shareholders. Sir, I read your balance sheet throughout and I am shareholder since long. I would like to ask at what capacity company is running? Means 50%, 60%, 70%. What is our capex plan in next 2 years by amount wise? And if company can give the investor presentation along with quarterly result, it help us. Send to me also chairman speech, please. I too confirm 2 words of slok the way too. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now a request to chairman, sir, for the reply.
Thank you, Mr. Ravi. I can say currently we are working at around 60% approximately is our capacity on. And other questions? Capex का कुछ?
Capex 2 years capex plan वो earlier श्लोक दवे ने जो पूछा था. Capex plan 2 years.
ना है.
2 years. अपन ने बोला था ना. उसमें अपन ने श्लोक था.
In my speech, you will find on the board the capex plan. I have already mentioned in that, so you can find out from there.
We will send chairman speech to your email ID. Next question is investor presentation. Conference call.
क्या होता है?
We are not investor presentation.
Regarding investor presentation, we have taken your note and will inform you accordingly.
Thank you, sir. Now, as there is no further questions, now I would request to the chairman